Hey beautiful people out there, it's me again. So in today's video we're going to be talking about my hair. So if you guys don't know, it's been 3 years since I big chopped, y'all. Like, I can't believe I big chopped 3 years ago. That is crazy. So I actually recorded it, so if you guys would like to see, it's linked up here or it'll be in the description box for you to check out. Let's chit chat about what I've done differently and also some of my current faves, just in case you guys are interested. So without any further ado, let's get it. So the reason why I big chopped 3 years ago was because after I had Maddie, I did experience some hair loss, and also I just felt like my hair was damaged. I mean, it was long, but I don't know, I just felt like it was a little damaged. So I just wanted to start over and I wanted to do something bold. I never in my life thought I would ever cut my hair and have a really short afro or whatnot, but I did it and I love it, y'all. Like, I can't believe it went by so fast, and I could have easily kept cutting it to keep it short, but I just didn't want to cut my hair again. So I was just like, and here I am now, I have hair again. So the things I did differently was, one, I kept my scalp moisturized. I made sure I oiled it, greased it, but most importantly I kept it oiled and moisturized, because at times I just tend to forget and I experienced some dandruff. By keeping my hair moisturized and using Head and Shoulders shampoo, that has helped to reduce the amount of dandruff that I have, and I have not seen it in a while. So won't we do it? So if your hair is dry or your scalp is dry like mine, then definitely find an oil that works for you. Keep it oiled, moisturized, and it's key, y'all. It's a major key. Another thing that I did differently was I deep conditioned and washed my hair like every week or so, because my goal before was to wash my hair every week and deep condition every other week. So I stuck with that, and I can say that it really helped. So I read somewhere that wash your hair all the time is not good in certain circumstances, but I think once a week is pretty good. So I was deep conditioning every week at one point in time, but sitting on the dryer for like 30 minutes, it's like that you just want to just get in, get out. So deep conditioning is really key, so I want to get back into doing that every week. So yeah, washing, conditioning, and deep conditioning very often helps my hair as well. So this is not something I did differently. This is something I do all the time. Protective style. You guys know I switch on my hair every week, new hair. I just love trying out new hair, you know, maybe look like a new person every week, and it's just fun. It's just fun to switch it up. Trying new hair is fun and everything. So when I did that, you know, I just braid my hair down, moisturize it and everything, and slap on a wig or slap on a protective style and call it a day. I think that's the main key as to how my hair grew, because I didn't do anything to my hair, and the less I do to it, the more it grows, because I feel like less maintenance, more growth. So less I did to it, the more it grew. Even though I love protective style and I love switching it up, I just love my hair. Like, I just love having my hair out. It's just freeing, and I just look and feel better with my natural hair out. Even though I still love protective styling, you know, I love wigs, just like that. You know, I want to wear my hair out more. So if you guys are interested in hair tutorials again and everything, then let me know and I can do those for you. So another thing I did differently, and I actually saw this and kind of researched it, rice water. So I actually did a video talking about it like a couple of weeks ago, I think. Oh, it's been a month or so. So I can link it here for you guys if you want to know what it's all about and everything. So I want to do a video for you guys to show you how I incorporate it into my wash day routine and how I use it and everything, because it's the real deal, y'all. Like, I mean, rice water is, yeah, rice water is where it's at, and I just love it. Like, I love it. Like, if you've used it, let me know your experience, but if you haven't, girl, I will be doing a video about that. So hopefully, maybe if I can, have it up on Saturday, just so that way you won't have to wait until next Wednesday to get that hair tutorial. So I think I may post it this weekend, but fingers crossed if my kids will allow me. So we'll see. But yeah, rice water, thank me later. So I get trims every 3 months or 6 months. It just depends on how my ends are looking like. So that's another key as to how my hair grew. So a few of my favorites right now. Right now I am loving the Cream of Nature's Pure Honey line. If you guys don't know, honey is really good for your hair. So when I do make my own products, my own conditioners, it's like that, honey has to be in there because it is so good for your hair, and that is a key ingredient that has to be in my hair when I wash it, deep condition, all that. When I came out with a full line of products that contain honey, you know I had to get on that. Just the design and the packaging is just, it's just eye-catching. I mean, why would you not want that? So yes, so I'm loving that whole line right now, and that's actually how I did this bun. I used the leave-in conditioner. Every night I use the leave-in conditioner spray, and I twist my hair and all that good stuff, and it works miracles, y'all. And speaking of honey, we also use the Honey Baby Naturals products on Maddie's hair too, along with the Cantu products and everything. So yeah, honey is key. So I've definitely been loving their line. So for my wash and goes, I use the Design Essentials jelly, which is bomb, like bomb. I actually did a video about that. I can link that here too for you guys if you guys are interested. So yeah, I love that for my wash and goes. I'm looking for something else to use because I keep having to buy the same bottle over and over, but for my wash and goes, that is a staple. But if you guys know of another product that won't harden my hair or make it crisp or anything for wash and goes, let me know as well. So another favorites of mine is the Palmer's coconut oil formula, and I also use the cocoa butter spray as well, and I just love it. I talked about it in my box braids video about the sprays. Whew, perfect spray. So I told you how I like to oil my scalp and everything, so that spray oil comes in handy, y'all. I'm telling you, bomb. Definitely check it out. Sorry, Tristan needed me. So anywho, that is about it, you guys. So I will continue to keep you guys updated on this journey, and I also will be doing some tutorials, so yay for that. Alright, sorry y'all. It means I have to get going, y'all. But if you guys have any questions or comments or anything you would like to talk about pertaining to my hair journey and natural hair, make sure you leave them down below so we can talk about it down there. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!